Alright, got a package here from BHRC here. Gonna open this thing up. Try to do this with one hand. I forgot my tripod at the house. We'll be testing the Tamyia shock pump. BHRC stickers here. Thank you, BHRC. There's the part number for this here. Here we go. Alright, just to open it up out of the package here. You got your pump, your chamber here, and instructions here. I never read instructions. A Tamyia sticker. So here we go. Okay, here's the other part, the instructions that come with the shock pump here, or air removal tool. Just going through, there's a Tamyia or Tamyia part, so you get the Japanese and English. Okay, unbox and open. You get your plunger, pump, whatever thing, your cap, one of the chambers, the shock holders for the shock bodies, an extra chamber so you can piece it together like that and do extra long 8 scale shocks, and that's what you get. So now next we're gonna go test this thing here. Alright, here we are again. We're going to do side-by-side comparison. One shock in the pump and one shock out of the pump, and see what the comparison is. We're going to use 32.5 weight oil, and here we go. Alright, here we are pumping one of the shocks here. Filling full. We got TLR driver Joe Ellis, part of the test here. There we go. Up here. Okay. Okay. There's 2 pumps, right? No. Alright, as you can see all the bubbles coming up out of the pump here. Yeah, look at there. And let's see what the other shock is doing here. That's just a standalone test. A little bit of bubbles, but not like the what the pump is producing here. Alright, ready? Yep, good. Alright, we're taking this out, break the pressure there.
I just do this in case there's anything trapped underneath the piston, just to make sure if there's any bubbles under there.
So you're pushing the piston up and down,
yeah.
Twisting a little bit?
I let it, yeah, I just let it sit for a couple minutes and then I do that and then I put it back in the vacuum.
Alright, there we go. And the other side is the test, the placebo.
And then when we get back, we'll put both shocks in the vacuum and see which one bubbles more.
That's an awesome test, Joe.
Right?
That's awesome. Yeah.
We'll see if the one that was in the vacuum bubbles less than the one that bubbled.
Okay.
Actually, let's do this to this shock as well, just so that nobody can say we didn't do them both the same. Alright?
Alright.
Okay, now both shocks have been done both the same.
Okay. Alright.
Cool. Alright, so we've been letting these shocks sit just like this for about an hour and a half. We went and had some dinner. We're going to release the pressure here. And then we're going to put both shocks in. So this one's going to stay over here. And this one we're going to put over here. And hopefully we'll be able to see it on the camera if there's any difference.
Or any air left in.
Yeah, so we're going to see if there's more air in one shock than the other.
Let's see, I think that one's bubbling. Yeah, that's got air coming out of it. Looks like. What you think, Joe?
They look exactly the same to me.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it is. Alright.
Don't you agree?
I agree. Yeah. I was getting it from the side here, so it looked like it had air bubbles coming out, but it didn't. So what you think, Joe?
I still stick with it's quicker if you don't have an hour to wait for your shocks for all the oil to bleed out.
Okay.
You can speed that process up.
Okay.
I mean, clearly there was no air in the other one, right?
Right.
You agree?
Right.
So yeah.
So in conclusion of the shock pump at the video you just watched or whatever, the conclusion is if you're racing club races and stuff like that, you race the same old track and you don't venture out to any other races or any other tracks, then my opinion on a shock pump, really isn't for you. I mean, if you can change oil at your house, leave it overnight, let all the air bubbles go out, you don't need a shock pump. But if you're racing on a big level, nationals or just big races, or you get a paid driver, why not have it? It is a must if you're racing on a big scale or big races. Like if I'm going to nationals, Roar Nationals or J Concept Nationals, I'm gonna have that shock pump. Why? Because it saves me time is speed. That is why you see that pump on all the pros tables. It's because it saves them time. You can put your diffs in there, get the air out of your diffs. You know how long it takes to get air out of your diffs? I don't even think I get all the air out of my diff, but that pump gets the air out of your diffs to where you can change your diff fluid, get all the air out, put your diff back together, and be out there on the track within, 30 minutes. Like I said, I mean, for a big race, that's a must-have. If you're racing on that level, it's a must-have. As I said before, club level, local races, you race the same tracks. You have your setup dialed. You don't need to cycle through, shock fluid or diff fluid in between heats. You're good. But thank y'all guys for tuning in. If you want the shock pump, Beach RC has them. That's where I got mine. So hit Beach RC up. I think I'll post a link down below. Click on the link. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents. Like I said, it's worth having. I'm gonna be hitting some big races this year, and if you race any big race, A scale, whatever, pick you up one. Anyway, guys, I'll talk at y'all later. Thank y'all for tuning in. See you next time.